Alright, because you didn't like the last video, I'll give you this one. The Piranha 50-ton press. We're going to shear out a 3/4 1020 hot roll piece of steel, solid. And you can see how easy it cuts it like butter. And the guy's going to come around and measure off the length that he needs. And you'll see how easy it shears. I'll turn around and go to the front and show you the controllers. And it cuts it just like butter. This is the Piranha P 50-ton press. And you see the controller here. And that's the slot for round.